So as always, we're coming in from different directions, so I always like to meet up with Jake first at a cafe, get something to eat, hit the lanes and get to the location together. So you need ramps because you haven't got Mercedes power. So I've got a video planned where we're going to put all these vehicles together, we're going to set them up from pull up to making a brew, how fast it is and the bonuses of each one. As you can see, both these vehicles you're fully set up within 2 to 3 minutes, a brew on the go within 5. Jake's more set up for the off-road, I'm more set up for the kind of long distance winter adventure van kind of route. So now that I've got the pop top in mind, I've got 2 double beds so I can transport 4, I can sleep 4. Then as well as that, Jake at the minute, the setup that you can see here, he's got the double bed up in the roof tent, but if he sticks his trailer on with his full setup, he's also got another roof tent with a bed in the back of the trailer as well. So technically, he could probably do 6 or 7 people out of one vehicle.
Yeah, not far.
So this is how you level your... Is that NATO issue?
It's the wrong green. No, it's sorry, it's not.
So this Friday really was the last of the summer sun, and it was beautiful sitting on top of this hillside, just looking over the valley and seeing it all. And the weather really did change over this weekend and let us know that winter is coming. How's your dad do it?
Hip twist.
I don't think that's YouTube he's doing that for.
Today we're looking at Land Rovers and we're gonna build a trailer. Come with me.
Python sketch where it was, isn't it? We go.
Look, you don't get this figure
There ain't
without...
a career that's dodging calories, dude, is it? There ain't a career.
Never trust a skinny survivalist.
No, no.
I don't know, we all got them.
But you have got half a loaf of bread there.
We ought to get them and walk away from the fat one.
You know what that is, dude? That's 50% less fat than a full loaf.
I'm not even wasting the whole.
It's half full.
Morning, right. We've got a brew. We're up, we're moving. I've had a lovely lie-in. The bed in this van is comfier than the bed I've got at home. So it is a hard one to get out of. So everybody's making breakfast, mooching about, but the weather's gone. Oh, raved an awning off. We're doing the proper survivalist thing now. What we're doing is we're just trying to get the keg of beer down to temperature. So while we're roughing it, let's see how much straw it's using. So I know you all wanted to know, but basically the bar is running at 136, 137 watts. So yeah, just got it on the inverter at the minute. Dead easy setup. Yeah, we've got another one of these in the back of the van running everything. Worst boat ever.
Because we considered rolling it, thought it might end up being in different parts.
Right, so just putting a bit of food on, got a keg of beer so everyone can have a drink, have a feed on me, and yeah, I think a few of the lads now, they're lighting the fire in the background. They're going to get the slow cookers on, the Dutch ovens out. They're going to do a meal for later on. But while they're doing that, we can have some nibbles. As always, I'm going over to Matt's because Matt is like the camp chef, isn't he? So I come over with my bags for life. His tables come out.
What about the beer machine? The new addition to the camp table.
The beer machine, off-grid bar. Those that haven't seen these, there'll be a link in the description down below, but that's about 160 amps and it'll do nearly 5,000 watts at peak on the inverter. But surprisingly, I brought two power banks thinking that was going to hammer it, and it's not been bad at all, has it?
Not at all. You ready for it?
Go on then.
Cheers. Anything you can't tell him which is dropping him, which is beer. Cheers.
His mates as well. His mate next door. If it's a bit cold, I'd have a wood burner. I know they're trying to ban them, but who fucking know?
I've got a wood burner, dude. I've broke tires.
Okay,
feel how cold that is.
You know what I mean? Okay, I'll put anything in shoes. The fucking.
Oh, are you?
It goes on and a shut door. At rest just goes out top.
I don't understand how government can, how they think they can just tell you what you can do.
No, we're not having planning permission for that. Anyway, she's got a council, so I'm having to sell that, like, you know, I'm going through the bugger out.
Proper scrum.
Yeah, they never feed you nothing.
What are you putting together?
Just a combination of absolutely everything. We're going to be veggied out.
And I think the weather's going to turn.
I do. I just keeps getting a bit colder, doesn't it? But potatoes, carrots, shallots, and then seasoned. Chuck it in, forget about it.
Very civilised.
Dad, I do think you like it.
Chef Landy lover is on it. Oh, got a bit crisp on.
Very nice. So what pan's that? Because is that stainless?
That's that biduri spun steel. That's what it is, spun steel. That's been seasoned twice. And obviously, apparently the more you cook on them, same as the Dutch ovens, the more you cook on them, the better they get. But I can't get on with Dutch ovens. So when I saw somebody do a joint of pork in this, so I was like, yeah, let's get one done. Like I said, it can go horribly wrong, or it could taste fantastic. We'll find out in about an hour's time.
You got big competition after I've just done my buffet. Do you know how long it took? Do you know how long that took for me to cut that cheese and open them pickled onions?
One. One for me, one for you.
Yeah, I think the off-grid bar is going to have to be more of a thing.
Yeah.
We're going to get an outlet on the outside of the van.
Now you got that power bank.
Yeah, put a table under the awning.
Yeah.
Off-grid bar and snacks.
I think, yeah. That power bank, you can run anything off that. Jesus. That coffee machine and
That's it. Coffees and a pastry in the morning.
yeah.
And then beer and snacks in the afternoon.
And then when you get hungry and supper, you know, put the air fryer on as well.
Yeah, professional fatty survivalist.
Exactly. Bushcraft.
Just looks fucking bomb, doesn't it?
Oh God, no,
What? There you go.
Yeah, hang on, I
We've
thought
got
I was
sheep and
prepared.
pigs and chickens. We've got all sorts on here going on. Right.
Fucking hell.
Still going. It's still going. Yeah, I think that's cool. That's cool. What's that? No, it's still going.
I just tip the whole pot in, mate. Just grab it, it's not hot. Just take a spoon. Have we got enough gravy? I missed a bit.
That was the most southern portion of gravy I've ever.
I can't aim it. Crispiness on the egg.
We thought you'd forgot your tea.
No, not forgot. Just leaving it warm.
I did offer it to you guys.
Dude, literally just
Leave that in there.
shit load.
Oh, what is that?
Thingy bob from up there, and then you said, "Oh, it's really
Just like you had hands in it though.
bastard."
Other hands and all sorts.
He did say,
No gravy with this
Just
one.
fisting your gravy pot.
No gravy with this one.
Shit out of the way.
fucking what's she done to that?
I don't know.
These guys.
She's made a potion.
Thinking about see if we can actually get some crackling.
But when I come here, I don't need to. Look, there's always a fire pit going. There's always.
So we were going to do this bit during the daylight, but things rolled on. It got a little bit late, but just as a bit of a thank you, wanted to do a bit of a giveaway to the lads. So Matt from Traction came up, flying visit, and he dropped a few bits off for us. So thank you very much, Matt, and obviously link in description below. Check out his store.
Okay, and then all around. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're 8. Jake, are you in? 11.
Hang on.
11. Jake's one.
Right, Jake, first pick.
The resentment in his voice.
Whatever.
Right.
Whatever you pick.
No, there's prizes on here. There's one of them seat molly pouch systems. There's a Petromax cup. There's a folding saw. There's
First one that's there, whatever.
that's the seat cover thing.
Oh,
Yeah,
there we go. Yeah.
bang tidy. There you go.
That's not in there, is it?
Nope.
That's the knife. There we go. Thank you.
Right, next one.
Hey Siri, give me a random number between 1 and 10. 2.
That's me.
There you go, dude.
I like cook. Well, don't spill me whiskey.
That'd be perfect for all the whiskey. There you go.
Got the point. Thank you very much.
All right.
I'll do it.
And if it's him again,
Yeah.
he has to win as well.
Hey Siri, give me a random number between 1 and 10. 10. That's me.
Well, you got folding saw or a Whitby knife.
Would be nice. Hang on.
That last one for the folding saw.
Hey Siri, give me a number between 1 and 9. 6.
There you go. You got a folding saw. Thank you very much, Matt from Traction. Winter is coming.
Good morning.
And I've just realised that this end of the van looks like shit because I've not put the trim on this panel or the back panel yet. So, this bed is so comfy. It's about 9 o'clock. Went to bed about 1:30ish. Lovely night. Good gig around the fire as always. Gonna get up, have a little bit of a breakfast, tidy up, pack up, see what time that comes to, and I think what I might do is have a drive around the campsite itself, you know, just to see what's actually here, because it's a working farm, and what he does is he moves his cattle and things round, so the pictures, I think, are different availabilities and stuff. So it'd be nice to have a little look round. Let's get up. I'm burnt down quite well. Hello, pup. So, depending on how precious you are, there is actually a turdies here, and it's a composting toilet. So, there's two ways of looking at this. We're on a wild camping pitch, aren't we? So, I think that's brilliant. It's a bit grim, but it's better than not having one.
Don't smell. Not smell a thing.
How does it not smell?
No idea.
Because it's full. It is full. So yeah, it's a nice thing to have. It's very basic, but it does exactly what it says on the tin, and it's far better than a shovel recce. I'm just watching you smash your sausage, mate.
Smash the sausage.
This is a whole new niche, this. Bear smashes sausage.
Cooks it quicker. And you get a nice crispy skin on the inside of your sausage.
Breakfast of champions. Leftover roast of bacon.
Yeah, I've got bacon in for breakfast.
Every single day.
Not the end, the side.
It's gonna hurt. Ow! It hurts.
Isn't it? It's cracked. I heard that. No, that's cracked. That's cracked.
Did you see this on Gordon Ramsay?
I moved out of the way.
Right, your turn.
Perfect. Yeah, your turn now.
I'll start running. Right, just having a little bit of a sweep round now, just make sure there's no little bits of rubbish or anything like that. Fresh toilet roll in the turdies for the next lot. And yeah, cracking weekend. Thank you to all the Patreons for coming. Thank you very much for your support as always. You really do help with the cameras, the editing gear and all the rest of it. It is appreciated.
They've been warning me about you all weekend, and then I fall for it.